Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by s. Next, we divide both sides by ds. Next, we see that y divided by s, this is about the root number 1. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. First, the derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over ds multiplied by s. This one, that is about number 1. So we have ds over ds multiplied by v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. We can see that we can simplify, and that is about number 1. And we can put like this. So y we change by vs. This one, that is about this one. So s divided by s, we have v. This one we have v and v. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we divide both sides by negative e to the power of v. So because we move this one go to the right, that's why we have the negative sign. The negative go to here. This one divided by this one, we have positive. So v I will put on the right, and we have negative v. And now we can do common denominator. So this one minus this one, so you got number 0. So e to the power of v go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of v. This one we have Fn of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 0. So we put number 1 and number 0 colon here to find the value of c. So we simplified, and we have c equals to number 1. So we put number 1 going here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.